Hello everyone, and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett, and today is September 21st, 2018. We are on the new Central Campus parking lot project. This will be our third and final video of the series, and we'll be taking you through progress since our last update. Let's begin with some history. 4 years ago, right smack in the center of our parking lot was the old football stadia, locker rooms, and training facility. To the left-hand side are shot put areas that we relocated, and they have been here for quite some time. We'll jump to last year. Left-hand side of the photo was the beginning of our new temporary admin building location, and to the north was our staging area for the Gampo roof project last summer. So you can see this parking lot has been waiting for quite some time for a couple of projects to be completed. We'll jump to our first video of the summertime, where we focused on the drainage system that would be underneath the parking lot, never to be seen again. This is our detention system that we're looking down upon now. Midsummer, right through here, our second video of this series, we really get a chance to see the shape of the parking lot. The curbs define the two sections, one to the north and one to the south. Our next clip here, right before the school started this year, shows what the blacktop has been installed, and before the landscaping. And finally, here we are current, 100%. 19 trees have been installed, close to 1,000 shrubs and plantings in through here. The university is using the parking spaces. We can see some cars down in here. We have new lighting in through here, new electrical ports for the electrical cars. This finished area to Gamble in here, fantastic. Virtual tour, as if you were walking down from the hilltop and the suites up on here. This bank is mostly natural wildflowers in through this area, in through here. So really nice green space in here, natural on the bank and the slope in here. At the end of the summer, we're seeing some color in through here, but it's just about gone. So the theme is all of this natural landscaping continues down this pathway and carries you right onto the campus. So once we get the seed planted, and this is green in through here, and it's green to the left, it'll really snap a little bit more. We're now on a new construction where we met the existing construction, the walkway we just showed you coming down off the hill, and we're going to take you on a virtual tour. The same pathway the students are going to walk to show you how the greenness from this pathway down from the hilltop suites continues through the design on this new parking lot. These trees, look at how tall they are, brand new, magnificent. And as we mentioned, once the grass takes on the left hand side, boy, that will really look nice. We have a new bike rack we see loaded already with the kids. We described a little bit the handicap spots over in this area right in through here, and of course our brand new crosswalk. And the width of this crosswalk, the painted white markings, are one of our widest spots, clear demarc area for the kids to walk in. Fantastic. All right, we'll pretend we're coming out of the connector building at Gamble. Boy, this area has really changed in through here. There was a couple of parking spots back in through here. Nice trees, beautiful walks. So everybody's really using the walks this way. Really having all the shrubs in through here and all the plantings in here. It's really forcing people to use the walk the way it's supposed to be. This is the 100 spots that the campus really needs in the interior in here. It's a Friday right now. It's not so busy. We got a nice lane here for the IT trucks for the games. Their connection ports right in through here. Boy, that turned out nice. Almost 1,000. Common theme over here is the daffodils. We get a chance as we come in through here, we'll take a look at our new handicap signs in here with the posts on them. So totally different than before. Look at how high the signs are above the top of the vehicles. All right, very nice. Again, my first video we showed you our detention system in here. All right, we look at the grade, see if you can, hopefully the camera will pick it up in here. The grade goes up. That's a high point in the parking lot in there. It really kind of shows up in the curb right in through here. And that's the low point, the two catch basins where the storm Water goes into storm drainage system we call in through here. And finally, you can't have a parking lot now without a place for the electric cars to connect to. All right, we have 2 ports right over here. That's a double on this area right over here, and a single over in here. So that's 3 spots for electric power for the vehicles. All right, we did the flyover here in the walk, and again, as I mentioned, it's just the seating along the bank is the last thing to go in through over here. And finally, we'll take you through the progress of construction of our 2 shot put fields. As I mentioned in the beginning, they were located under the parking area and had to be moved to make way. This first shot, the under drainage is in, and the machine is just building the sub base at this level. So important. This was a wet area, and now with this drainage system, it is dry. A little bit later in the summertime, the finishes are in place in here. And we have to say that athletics is so excited because now all the throwing disciplines are all in the same area. To the left is the hammer and discus throwing areas. Now we have the shot put in the middle, and to the right is the javelin. And finally, we're going to give you a bird's eye view here. If you're an athlete standing in this location, there's 2 courts right through here. The little round depression areas is where the athlete stands. We have little covers that go right next to them. So it's very specific on the design in through here. And the clay, very strong to the sub base in through here. We can see the marks. They've been using the area. And finally, this drainage in the back is working fantastic. Again, today is September 21st, 2018, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.